What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over a day trading recap. I got small caps, I got futures, I got it all. We're going to go over it. Live trades. Check it out. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and jump right on into this video. We got a lot to go over. We're going to go over small cap live trade I have recorded, futures live trades I have recorded from last night and today. We're going to go over what happened with the SPY and a lot of stuff, guys. A lot of good content's going to go on right here and a lot of live recordings. So get pumped up, get excited about it. Smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. And remember, link in the description section below for Webull. You get 2 free stocks when you download the app and fund your account. So you can't go wrong with that because it's free money. So go ahead and make sure you take advantage of that. And what a time to, potentially look towards investing long term with everything at a massive discount as far as stocks goes. And I do have a long-term investing, what I'm doing during the market crash, step-by-step video that's going to come out today. So make sure you watch that, hit the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel so you're alerted when I drop that video later today, okay? Now let's go ahead and jump into this recap here. And what we have here is the SPY. Guys, the SPY yesterday was, in this 270s area. And honestly, I wasn't too uncomfortable there. I remember talking to my dad yesterday and telling him I even mentioned it in chats, talking about how I'd expect the SPY to hit the 250s at some point in the next 3 days or so. I said that yesterday. I did it today. I was not expecting that in the least bit. Makes me want to wish I would have YOLO'd some lotto puts in the SPY up here in the, yesterday. Would have banked huge, but live and learn. I don't really, that's not how I trade. Like I said, that would be just a lotto. You take like $50, $100, throw it at some far out the money puts, and bang, you either made a lot of money or you lost a couple bucks, kind of like a scratch off. That's what I typically call them amongst my friends. And I haven't done one of those in a few months. I've been laser focused on my day trading here and just bam, bam, bam. You've been seeing my days. I've been hitting some real nice days in the face of this market, pullback. So this happened because last night, President Trump let everybody know that we were going to start tomorrow, effective tomorrow, a 30-day travel ban to Europe. I believe the UK was exempt. I'm not sure. I don't remember, but I know that there's a travel ban to European countries starting tomorrow, Friday, for 30 days. So the market didn't like that. Everybody's talking about stimulus plans. The market doesn't care about that. Bang. As time progresses and more companies shut down for X period of time, then what happens is you have less production going on, less people spending money out in the street, less of everything. And that's what's being priced into the market right now. They're pricing in Q1, Q2, Q3 coming up, earnings reports and guidance being taken down. I would think that maybe in 2 years, the market rebounds and we start to see a big push, after some sideways consolidation. Maybe it takes a little bit longer. Maybe it takes 5 years. Whatever the case is, I'm adding throughout all of this to my long-term stuff because that long-term stuff for me is 20, 25 years time horizon. And by then, I expect moonshot. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not worried about this stuff now. I'm just adding and doing my trading. Now, that's about it for the macro. Yesterday, when I heard the travel ban, I ran to my computer. Right when I heard about the travel ban, boom, I ran to my computer and I had already missed this big move here. But I was able to get in short one ES contract right there, 265, 2656.50. Okay, you can see my P&L there as 112.50. I want to say this is not yesterday's video recap, like yesterday's recording. I don't think it was. Let me see the date here. That's right. I can see the date. 11. Where's this? Okay, yeah, so this is last night's. Yeah, it has to be last night's. Oh yeah, the date's right here. Okay. So I'm in just one contract. and this is really fast. I'm in just one contract right here. Boom. I'm looking for a breakdown underneath 2650. What happened was we came here, touched 2650, bounced off of it. And as soon as we bounced off of it up here, it was a failed bounce. I got short in there, 2656. And was looking for, a dump. And we got the dump right there. Like, it's so fast, right? Boom. And that put me up yesterday, $1,125. Yesterday when I did my recap, I was up $650, and then by the end of the day, I was up another $100. So I was up $750. And remember, these contracts move in 25-cent increments, and each $1 1 point move up or down is $50. Therefore, you're always going to see hold numbers like these, right? You're going to see like 125, 130, stuff like that, 125.75, stuff like that. So boom, it bounces from there, and that was it for me. That was it. That was my trade last night. It was so fast. I mean, look at this. Like, the recording is just crazy. Boom, get short, bang, take profit, and that was it. So that was last night's trade. I did that right before bed. I actually tweeted it. And then this is this morning. This morning I took 2 trades, okay? The market opened up. It looked like it was going to halt. It retraced back upwards. Then it opened underneath 2560. I really thought about getting short there, and I didn't. That would have been, if I would have gotten short there, that would have been massive, because we would have gotten halted here, gap down. It would have been huge. We halted here. The market in its entirety halted here. Futures halted in pre-market here. They were down 5%, so the 5% rule engaged. Markets 7% down. Boom. We got halted. Overall market, the entire stock market got halted. And then we gapped down. Okay, when we did that, this little pop right here, when we couldn't hold the levels, I got short. I couldn't short the ESs this morning because the margin minimum requirement went up on that. So that was a problem. I did not like that. I couldn't short the contract itself. So I had to go and revert to the E-minis, the micro E-minis, sorry. So I traded the micro E-minis this morning. I traded 5 contracts there and short 2508.25. And I'm looking for the dump. I was very patient. You can see here I'm up 6 points on it. And we really start to get that extension downward. I'm short from 2508 and we're popping off at 24.96. I'm up 11 and 13 points right there, 14 points. Look at that. I was still holding. I thought maybe we'd hit that 24.90 area. Right there, I just take it and bam, book my profit. And right there, boom. I think that's between yesterday's. Yeah, because I was up like $300 something, right? Yeah. So last night's trade and today, right there, 575 puts me up 575 on the day. Boom. Then my next trade this morning here on the futures is this failed pop here. I got short right here. I really thought about getting short up here, and I should have pulled the trigger. I gotta be able to put faster, because I was so 2580s. My risk reward here was so perfect, but I was kind of concerned. We did take back a lot of this downwardness, so I waited, and when we held this 2550 as resistance, I jumped in there 2547.15 cost basis on 5 contracts. Once again, micro E-minis, and I was looking to see if we can get down here to 2520. Would have been a monster win, but right there, I'm up 11 points, as you see right there. And I start to get ready to take some profit off here. Look at that, 17 points I was up at one point there. I really should have considered taking profits off there, but I was really wanting to see that 25.20. Maybe I got a little bit greedy, but I figured I had a cushion on the day. I could, take some risk. When we started to retrace like that, I didn't like it. Right? Because we were holding this 25.30 area, which was the resumption of the halt. Did not like that. So right there, I start to peel off profit. I take off 3 contracts immediately. Hold on to 2 to see if we're going to get that rejection. We start to push up higher. So I get ready to take those 2 off. I take them off right there and add it to the day, $791. And bang, that was it right there for me on the futures. Really nice day. And then this is a trade I took yesterday. Let me, so you can see the level 2. This is a trade I took yesterday on BKYI, right out of the halt here, looking to see if we can hold this level and maybe get a push up to $2. Now, this is the first small cap I trade in a really long time. So I kind of fumbled the trade. It's a green trade, but I kind of fumble it because it does break up over $2 and I take profit way too soon. You know, I thought we were going to struggle right there. I thought we were going to struggle. So I'm in at 170. You see it here, just 1,000 shares. And I was looking to see if we can get up to $2, but right around here, right there, I take profits when we can't hold that 180 area. I thought we should hold 180 and squeeze straight to like 190 something. But we can't hold that 180 for like a little bit. And boom, I take my profit right there. And I close it out. You know, I thought that wick was going to reverse and that's it. Right after that, it boom, all the way up to $2. I think it was like, I don't remember how high it got. I know it got up higher than $2. So I would have hit my target and I would have, you know, made some more bank yesterday on that one. But hey, look, I can't complain. I am on an awesome hot streak. Super happy with my consistency. Happy with my discipline more than anything else, really. And I'm liking the action we're seeing. Now, it is very volatile times. We got to be safe. And I was safe today. And I'm going to continue to be safe. I've shut it down for the remainder of the morning. I will continue to keep an eye on the market, but I might not trade again until I see some real good direction on the market, because we've gapped down so much that, you know, there's a lot of buying going on because people are like, oh, discounts, but then there's a lot of fear and panic. So there's a lot of sales going on. It's a lot of whiplash action. I mean, look at the SPY right now. This was the action in the morning I traded. This is the action I traded again. And then this has been the chop fest that we have going on now. I don't feel safe, so therefore I'm going to be disciplined and conserve the profits I have and wait until I have, you know, a good indication of a good direction, and then I'll take a trade, you know, using the cushion I have on the month, which is really nice. And that's my plan moving forward today. So let me know how you did. Drop it in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me. Subscribe to the channel. Remember to watch the new video I'm going to drop about what I'm doing during the market crash, and I'll catch you on the next one.